Example 2, lesson 2.1. Let's make a conjecture about the value of the limit as x goes to 0, of the sine of x over x. But this time, let's make our conjecture graphically instead of numerically. Let me show you how you would do that. So, let's go to our main window. Let's go to y equals, and I'll clear out, oops, there we go. I'll clear out the function I had before. Now, let's type in sine of x divided by x. I want to make sure I'm in radian mode, and I was not in radian mode. That's good, so I have to put it in radian mode now. I'm glad I did that. Degree mode would have made things not nice. Okay, let's check this out graphically. So in the window, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from negative 2 pi to 2 pi. My y minimum, or my x scale, will just be 1. My y minimum will be negative 1. My y maximum will be 1. My x or y scale will be 1. Okay. All right. So again, we want to know, or we want to make a conjecture about the limit as x goes to 0 of the sine of x over x. So follow my cursor. As x approaches 0 from the left, it looks like I'm going up to 1, which is my y max. As I follow or get closer to 0 from the right, it looks like I'm approaching 1. So I would say the limit as x goes to 0 of sine of x over x is equal to 1. And so this is a way of doing it graphically.